Damn, that fall was gnarly, bro. My foot's in shambles.
Can you feel this?
Not really.
What about this?
What is up, YouTube world? We've got an exciting day planned for you today. I'm about to drive these mofos for the first time. Never been on a dirt bike. I'm excited, a little scared, but if I get into a crash, you guys are gonna see it first. Whoa!
You would have died. Go, gas, 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 gas. Good God! What the hell is this? Give it a little bit of gas. Yeah, there you go. That was insane, boys! Whoa! Dude, I almost like died! My fear is that I'm gonna absolutely like soar. It's like a 1-inch drop. That's like outrageous right there. That's like the scariest thing I could have done right there. Dude, I don't know. I feel like if I go down the wrong path, there's gonna be like a drop off of like 10 feet. Straight like sticks pointing up, like skeletons and stuff.
You should go along this and up through there, around there, around here.
Best idea. You lay down right here and no, dude. Are you insane? Dude, I'm gonna have like a tire like go like across my face. Got it. Stop. I don't want to break it. Is it just stiff?
I'm not gonna break it.
I don't know how to do it. I don't want to. Oh, jeez. Yo, that's hot.
It's an exhaust pipe. Come on, kick it like you mean it.
How'd you do it?
Come on, kick it like you mean it. Uh-oh.
Didn't give it gas. Now I gotta repeat the process.
Yeah. Y'all almost witnessed my death. There's brakes on the damn bike. I am the brake. All right, it's time we move on to the bigger track. Let's go. Why?
I just want him to fall. Is that too much to ask for?
I'm gonna brake.
Go to second. Your foot's on the wrong one. There you go. This motherfucker.
What the hell?
He's like all my concentration right now, dude.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do you see what you're wearing?
Oh, God.
What am I doing?
Go to second gear and then go as fast as you can up that thing. Pick it up!
Pick it up, fast!
I'm gonna eat shit.
Damn, that's scary as hell. Dude, that turn was so tight that I just straight like, I was so slow, I was just like, just knocked on my side. That's my like knight in shining armor right there. Single person wasn't hard enough, so right now Luke and I are about to double up. Let's get it. Why are you like restricting all of my arms? Sorry. There's so much dust in my eyes. Get this bike off of me. If you guys stayed to the end, thank you guys so much. If you want to see more content like this in the near future, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification button. I hope to see you guys in the near future. Peace!